Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Amazon. This morning I've got a hodgepodge of stuff, but stick around to the end because I've got a screaming deal on a wool mat for you. We're going to start with a wireless computer mouse, $8.99. It's only 11% off, but they have it in various colors. And I needed a computer mouse, so I had to look for one this morning. Thought I would share that one with you. A Type-C 3-port USB hub. Someone asked, how do I get 2 or 3 devices to work on my computer at one time because I have a laptop? This is how I do it. This one's $25.05. You may be able to find some cheaper, and there are some that have up to 8 hubs for USBs to plug in. So you may want to look. $25.05, not a screaming deal, but it's definitely a tool that's useful, especially if you're a creator. An aluminum portable foldable laptop support stands up to 13 inches. I have one that's actually plastic that I use for my laptop, but these are handy, and they have it in black also. Great for a college student too. Super Easy Care Microfiber bed sheet set. This is a twin extra long for $14.21. Couple of different colors available down here. More than a couple, as a matter of fact. Great for using for fabric if you want it, or great for sending off to college with your student. Wireless earbuds, active noise canceling headphones, $29.99. These are 50% off. And they don't have a microphone, but they're great for listening to audiobooks or something while you're doing other things. I have one of these. I have a glass one. We just broke it. I need a new one. Electric hot water kettle. You plug it in, it boils your water for you. They work in a couple of minutes, and you have hot water for tea or instant coffee or whatever it is you like to drink. Wireless computer keyboard and mouse combo, $27.47. Handy for setting your laptop on a stand and still being able to do what you need to do on your computer. Bed pillows. Just realized that we need new pillows. $32 for a queen size set of 2. Not bad. Fabric backing boards. These are up to $26.53 right now. 12% off. The lowest I've seen them is $11.99. The average price I see on them is $17.99. You may find different prices, but these I keep in my safe for later and check the price every day whenever I go into Amazon. Fabric deals. They have fabric up to 25% off. And so I'm not going into anything specific, just scrolling through. Maybe there's something in here that appeals to you, and you can look at all results. Sim thread, machine embroidery thread, 30% off. This is 63 colors with a plastic storage box. There's also a 12% coupon that you can apply at checkout. The reason that sim thread is such a screaming deal is because the boxes themselves cost $26 without thread in them. So I wanted to point that out for you guys. Couple of sewing machines that are on good deals. The Brother SE600, which is a sewing and embroidery machine, is 5% off. It has a 4x4 hoop area. It's a good beginner machine for embroidery. The CP100X is $209. This is definitely a good beginner sewing machine. I like the Brother brand better than Singer, the modern Singers. Old Singers are awesome. And the PQ1500 SL, which is $7.99. I understand that it's very similar to the Juki TL2010Q, which is what I use most days. Ironing blanket. I need one to cover a small TV tray that I keep near my recording area so that I can iron on that and not have to worry about hurting anything. $12.87. This is the Amazon's Choice one, and it's magnetic, so it will hang on to your washer or dryer if you iron there. This was the second choice. It's a Gorilla Grip ironing pad, 28 by 24, which would be the exact perfect size to sit on my TV tray and not have to iron it down or staple it down. I do like the fact that it's got the Gorilla Grip on the back of it, so this would be a good choice. I also looked at a tabletop ironing board with folding legs. Not super fond of this one, but I thought it might be handy for somebody, and the legs fold up, so you could put it in a quilting bag and carry it to a retreat if you wanted to. There's also self-adhesive felt fabric. This is made for doing things like lining jewelry boxes, that kind of stuff. But my brain went, ooh, and came up with about 4 different ideas for this as soon as I saw it, including using it to make felt food or to line the inside of a tray that you wanted to use for like a tea tray or something. Would also be nice in the bottom of drawers of like the little plastic storage containers. I use them to hold my feet for my brother machine. I have all kinds of feet, and this would be nice because it wouldn't let the things slide around in the plastic drawer, and it would pad them somewhat. And now, hold on to your seat. This is the deal of the day as far as I'm concerned. This is a wool pressing mat for quilting. It's 17 inches by 13.5 inches. If you've been thinking about getting a wool pressing mat, but you didn't like the prices, this one's only $16.99. Let me scroll down here and show you. There is a coupon on this. Save an extra $10 when you apply this coupon. So you can get this wool mat with the little silicone ironing cover and a few clips. I mean, it comes with some accessories for $6.99. Yes, I've got it in my cart. Yes, I'm going to buy it. $6.99 for a wool pressing mat is a screaming deal. Just no two ways about that. So I saved it for last. Links will be in the description box below. This will be the first link that I put in the description box. Click on the link, click the coupon, get yourself a wool ironing mat for under $7. All right, guys, you have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.